Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you love staying ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out. Today we're getting into a fun and useful feature on Instagram, adding the date and time to your stories. Whether you're documenting a special moment or just want to add a temporal touch to your content, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Instagram app and swipe right or tap on your story at the top left corner to create a new story. You can choose to snap a fresh photo, record a video, or swipe up to select media from your gallery. For this tutorial, I'll select a picture from my gallery. Now once your photo or video is ready, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a smiling square with a folded corner. Scroll through the options until you find the date and time sticker. Tap on the sticker and you'll see it pop up on your story. You can move it around by dragging with your finger and resize it by pinching in or out. Tap on the sticker to cycle through different styles and find the one that fits your vibe. And that's pretty much it. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap on your story at the bottom to share it with your followers.